Hello YouTubers! Today I'm going to show you 8 new color changers from the newest Toy Story collection called Color Splash Buddies. Each package comes with 2 buddies. Here we have Spanish Buzz Lightyear with Stretch, Jessie with Ham, Alien with Sparks, and Waving Woody with Peas in a Pop. They measure from 1 to 3 inches tall and they're plastic, perfect for dunking in the water. The first one is Alien. Let's start with the cold water and the magic happens. Now warm water, change it back, now change again. Awesome! Next one is Yo Soy Buzz Lightyear. Okay. Now we have Peas in a Pod. That's the cold. Now warm. Now this is one of the best ones I've seen so far. It changes everything. Hi, I'm Woody. This is Waving Woody. Now he's back. Now let's put the red shirt back on. And now we have Stretch. Whoa, everything. It's purple. Next one is Jessie. Wow, that's so cool. Pink shirt. And as you can see, the colors change immediately. Next one is Sparks. Orange color, really cool. And just so you know, warm water is fine, no need to be hot. But cold water has to be icy cold. Tap water will not work. And the last one is Ham. He's blue. Now he's back. Let's try again the blue. Once again, let's dunk him once again. Yeah, really nice. And they're perfect to play in your Slide and Surprise playground playset from Toy Story. Alright YouTubers, thanks for watching this review, hope you liked it, and click on any of these links to watch more videos from Toy Story. Thanks again and see you next time.